Hello, investor and trader. Welcome back to another episode of Live Day Trading Recap. Again, here's the clock. This is California clock, so Pacific Standard Time. For those from New York, it's at 3 more hours. I'm trading on the 5 minute. That's why I prefer to do these live day trading recap, not live day trading. It's because it would take me forever to make a move. You can see, right? I trade on the 5 minute, the 30 minute, and the 1 hour. I don't want my audience to sit there and wait. Because if you think about it, I've been waiting for 14 minutes already and still have not yet make a move because I'm waiting for that perfect candle formation. Again, I have no volume because when I trade blue chips, I don't look at volume. I don't care about volume. All I care is candle formation, R sky, and stochastics. That will give me an idea: is this the bottom or near the bottom? Which, for this case, for Boeing, 230 was the bottom. So I was pretty close. So what I'm looking for right here is a pin bar, a doji, some kind of reversal signal. That's what I'm waiting for. So it's almost 5 minutes, right? It's almost only a couple more seconds, and then this candle is finished. And then this candle is look like a pin bar to me. So I decided to enter the next candle near the $0.50, which 230 and a half. So 230, 40 cents, 230, 50 cents, something like that. I use market order instead of limit order in this one. There you go. So I enter at a 230.45 market order right here. When I place my order, I manually type down my order. I do not use hotkeys because I have like questions about that. Again, I trade based on the 5 minute, right? I have plenty of time to think about my order, to what price I want to sell and stuff. I don't need to use hotkeys. Look how slow it moved. See how slow it moved? It's not fast, so I don't have to use hotkeys. Because some of you guys are very surprised I typed down my order. So right here is a bounce. It'll bounce. There we go. Let me pass forward a little bit. Okay, so I sold it right there near. Oh, I already sold it. So I sold in this candle near the resistance. So why did I sell it here? Well, because over here, right? See, it been falling it below this green moving average for the entire morning. So therefore, I decided to sell right there just to play it safe. You can be pretty optimistic and set your sell target somewhere right here if you would like. But for me, I just play it safe. Sell right here is good enough. So I'll start out the day with $485 profit. Next trade. THO. So THO is falling. Got my attention. I tried to enter the $0.50, but couldn't get in. I think I placed a little too low at 40 cents. So later on, you see the footage, I changed it to 50 cents because it started popping. It started reversing back up. Meanwhile, waiting for that to do its thing, I decided to trade Boeing again. So I have a Boeing order again at the $0.50 at 230.50 cents because I remember I sold it right here, right, and then now it's going back down. So I decided to enter near the $0.50 right here and sell like 50 cents, 60 cents pop. So there we go. I got filled. Okay. So now I'm going to sell at the whole dollar or near the whole dollar. Wait for the little pop. There you go. I think I sold it right there. Yep, there you go. So now I'm up $700-ish. Okay. THO, I changed that to 50 cents instead of 40 cents because I saw the bounce. Again, see how spread the wide is? Like 40 cents, man. That's freaking wide. But then I don't want to chase it, so I just leave it there at 50 cents. But glad I did that because look at this right here, right? The whole entire day, yesterday and today, it couldn't get past this green line right here, the green moving average, which is the 6 EMA. So I decided, I don't want to enter right there. But then again, there's a possibility that I might go up to here too. So we never know. But I just want to play it safe. I want to enter down here instead of up here. And I'm glad I did that. I did that because it tanked. Look at that. It's funny, right? It just tanked. So order, same thing. You can see my order right there, right? Right there. That's the order, level twos. And look at the volume. The volume is super low. So that's why when it tanked pretty big. That was like what? 60 cents, 40 cents tank, 1,000 shares. You're down like $500-600 already. 2,000 shares, you're down over 1K. That is why I prefer to use limit. See limit order right there. So my order will get filled pretty soon. 1,000 share at the $0.50. So let me pass forward and you can see it gonna get filled. Let me see that I record down the time to see when it get filled. So let me pass forward a little bit. There we go. Filled. So a tank filled. Okay. Now waiting for TO to do his thing. I look for other opportunity. I think I decided to trade Boeing again. Yeah, it popped a little bit, but I didn't hit my price target. My price target was around 110. So I didn't sell it. Next thing you know, you see it later. So Boeing right here. So let me pass forward almost the whole 5 minute. There we go. So it's forming a pin bar, right? Red, red, red pin bar. That's a reversal signal. So I decided to enter at the whole dollar, 500 shares again. This is like the third time I've traded Boeing. So it's almost the whole 5 minute. Looks good. And next candle. There we go. It got filled. Okay. So I'm in Boeing again. So where's my sell target? Again, around 50 cents where I entered. And there's the little pop. There we go. Sold. So now I'm up $970. Meanwhile, THO is still not moving. It moved, like I said, it has no volume. I don't know why I got in THO. It's good for because my other account, I have THO on my other account, but it's for investing though, it's not for trading. Maybe that's why. I don't know why I don't know. Don't ask me why I bought THO. I thought I was gonna bounce, but it didn't bounce. So yeah. So at this point, I'm gonna hit my goal, right? My goal is 1,000. So hey, I'm almost 1,000. Just a little bit more, but I decided to hold on and see what happens. I think I want to get out, right? No, yeah, I sold. I have a limit order with that, but it never hit. It hit like 70 something cents. Then I just tanked. But oh well. And then what else I did? Oh, right here. And then I got a text message from one of my trade groups. So I got this text message right here at actually at 7:57. He said he bought QDEL, right? My friend Dak right here. So I said keep following. I'm like, yes, finally something action. So let me pass it to that time, the time frame. You can see it right there, right after the text message. 7:57, 7:59. Okay, so the thing is tanking. So now my next trade is gonna be QDEL because I want to catch this knife, right? So I have an idea that 117 is the bottom, and I explain why in a little bit, but I need a confirmation. So I decided to wait for the next candle. Don't want to enter yet. There we go on this candle. Notice here, right? I pass forward a little bit. Now it's almost a whole 5 minute, but look at this. It began to show a little green bar, pin bar. So I have my order at 117.30. But notice right here, I'm like 4 or 5 cents away from the bid ask. So my order is right there. You can see it, right? 1,000 shares right here. But it didn't get filled. The reason why I know this is the bottom right here is because I recognize this is the RSI divergent convergence. So let me explain what that means. So it's right here. So if I draw this down, see this right here? Draw that. No, let me draw it back right here. Easy to see like that. See how it's going down, bounce, down? Okay. Now check this out. Meanwhile, the RSI, look what RSI is doing. It went down because this right here correlates to this right here. See that? And this right here, it correlates to this right here. But notice something. This low is higher than this low. In other words, this low is lower than this low, right? Because it's falling. But why the RSI is increasing? That's the RSI divergent convergence. And that's how I know to enter right here. So here, let me show you. You may ask, what the hell is RSI divergent convergence? Well, it's right here. If you Google it, it's right here. All these stuff are free, guys. I learned all this stuff online for free. I don't buy any courses. I just Google and YouTube. So here's the thing that I recognize. See, the stock is falling, right? RSI is increasing. Guess what's going to happen? It's going to bounce. Just type it down. RSI divergent convergent. You can see it. Okay, so let's just clear that up. Let's go back to this. So right here, I kind of like again, I like to play the rule safe, right? I don't want to chase, but I missed opportunity. So I'm like, damn, you know what? I recognize this. I trust this. So I decide, you know what? I'm gonna enter. I just let it do its thing a little bit. Right there. So it bounced, right? But now a little pullback. It's fine. Now it's just taking a little break because from here to here is a whole dollar, right? So I decided to enter at 117.9 limit order. There we go. There's a limit order. Eventually I get filled, and I think I text right here, right? Right there. Whoop, whoop. And at 822, enter QDEL. That's the price right there. So 822. Let me pass for a little bit. Well, I entered before I alerted that, of course. Right there. Whoop, and go back. Okay. You can see my order right there, 1,000 shares. The spread is pretty wide too. It's like 20 cents wide, man. 1,000 shares, that's $20, $200 down already. There we go. Partial filled, almost 1,000 shares. Actually, another 200, 800 more shares. There we go. So now it's filled. Okay, cool. So now I'm in the trade. So where my sell target? Well, it's right here. This moving average here is going to be my sell target. If I'm very optimistic, somewhere right here around 120. But I want to play it safe. So I decided to sell at 118.8, I think. 75. Oh, right there. Sold right there. 75. So that was a $800 profit. It's pretty cool. Meanwhile, THO. Oh man, this stock is tanking. Okay, here's my mistake right here. Well, not really a mistake, but I should have recognized that, hey, this thing could probably break below the $0.50, and it did. So I have two options. Either dig my way out or take a loss. At first, I want to take a loss, and then I changed my mind. Okay, you know what? I'll dig my way out. Then I changed my mind again. No, I'll just take a loss. You can see the order right here, right? So you can see right there, sell, right? At this point, I want to take a loss. Small loss. But then I changed my mind. Meanwhile, I look at their Boeing and see any other opportunity. See, I cancel the order there again. Boeing bouncing. Oh, Boeing right here. Oop, go back, go back, go back. Right there. So Boeing, I decided to enter right there at the whole dollar, 230. Why? Because I like the candle formation. Pin bar. Again, see that? Let me. But yeah, it's the same thing. RSI conversion divergence. You can go back to the time frame if you'd like to see it. This is going down. RSI is going up. That's how I know to enter right there. Where my sell target? Again, near the $0.50. So let me pass for a little bit. So THO, same thing. I still want to sell. And eventually Boeing hit my sell target near the $0.50. There we go. Okay, so I decided, you know what? I'm gonna take THO a lot, just call it a day, because right here you can see the time, right? I'm already in 2.5 hours trading. I'm already kind of tired. Look at the computer screen, over 2.5 hours. But hey, 2.5 hours for $1,500, I'll take that any day. So that was my day right there. It's a pretty long day, kind of over trade. I'm not happy about all these trades because of THO. Damn it, should cut my loss earlier, but decided not to. Be very stubborn. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy your guys' day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.